Hi, I'm Lauren Murphy and I teach 3rd grade, and we have been learning about the Pirates of the Carolinas as part of our social studies curriculum. In order to do a cross-curricular activity, we also touched on science and learned about how to balance a ship, and had a merchant marine come in and discuss a ballast with us, and then each student in my class was able to create their own pirate ship.
Hi, my name's Kevin Riley. We are studying pirates in my 3rd grade classroom, and this is my pirate ship that I made. I used wood for the framing and all the inside, and I used these little tiny hooks. You probably can't see them. The little hooks. I used string. I used little metal jacks for my anchors. I used Lego guys, gunshots, tinfoil balls that my stepdad made, and I used Lego pieces to make like a stand for so he could stand up and drive the steering wheel. This is a little head, so he's looking out of the hatch. Hi! That's funny. And this sky. My name is Ben Cox. We were learning about pirates in my class. And then for a project, we did pirate ships. I made my pirate ship out of a milk carton, big popsicle sticks, rocks, and one Lego human.
Hey, you got it! Nice job!
S. Yes.
S.
Awesome. Look at this. Double-sided.
It fits. It's a miracle. Oh, it's sinking.
Ben, get down next to yours.
I'm not either. Oh, wow.
Yay, Castle.
Wow.
Ready?
Wow. It's so tough. Now I'm making a milk carton. I'm not a big fan of wet stuff. It tilts. Oh, no. It's just the sail.
And Carter
Oh.
Nice, Carter.
Awesome.
It worked. The only thing she said is build a pirate ship. It has to build it in the baby's pool. Good job.
Alexa, was that you? No. I know. Open that up. Open the camera.
yes, I just watched that.
Good job, Cade.
Getting
Here, hang on, buddy. Let me grab your picture and then I'll give you passengers.
Dump the whole thing in there.
Awesome. Ready?
Where's the
It's made out of 10
Smile,
foil.
John.
I see the anchor.
John, smile, buddy.